Welcome back to Grand Teton National Park. This week we are hanging up our hiking shoes and exploring the park in a whole new way.
Feel alive!
Good morning, welcome to another beautiful day here in the Tetons. Today's plan, we're just gonna keep it simple. We're gonna go for about a 20-mile bike ride and possibly try to rent some kayaks at Jenny Lake. We'll see how that goes. But for now, I'm starting off with some breakfast before we hit the trail.
You did good. That's some good fuel. Now that our bellies are full, it's time for a bike ride. Greg is getting the bikes ready. We are starting at a pull-off just outside of the visitor center, but you can take the bike trail all the way from Jackson to Jenny Lake. We're doing about half of it because after yesterday, if you watched our last video, we hiked about 15 miles, so we are not up for a super big bike ride today. But we are very excited because the whole time you have these stunning views of the Tetons. So let's get out there. Mushroom head
Activated. If nothing else, riding your bikes is a good way to avoid the lines. Crazy. Look at how long that is.
Oh my gosh. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon now, and you can tell there's a bit of a backup getting into the park. We just biked up a really steep hill right after the visitor center, but it was worth it because we didn't have to wait in that line.
Yeah, that's all I kept telling myself. It should be the only big hill though, but boy, we're feeling it.
Oh yeah. 2.7 miles to Jenny Lake.
Okay, now that we made it to Jenny Lake, our plan is to go down to the boat launch and see if they're still renting kayaks or canoes. And if they are, that's what we're gonna do. And if not, maybe we'll just go for a dip. We'll see. The kayaks are still open.
We're canoeing on Jenny Lake! I am so pumped that we got a canoe today. It's about 2 in the afternoon, and yesterday we asked at the boat dock how long they rent them, and typically by noon it's too windy to be out on the water, but today is just a really calm day, so we got very lucky. And I am very happy because I really wanted to do this.
I wore my captain's hat just in case we got to rent the canoes, so I'm ready to go. This is awesome. The water is so clear. When it's deep, it's like a really deep, like emerald green kind of blue color. But when it's shallow, you can see right to the bottom.
It is so beautiful and peaceful out here. You just hear the sound of the water crashing on the shore, and you just have 360 views of the Tetons in one direction and the lake shore in the other. It is stunning.
Do you see how clear this water is? It's blowing my mind.
We decided we're doing it.
We have to. It's too inviting. It's gonna be cold.
We're getting in.
Oh my.
It's so rocky and cold.
Oh. It's so cold. Oh, it's so cold.
Dunk right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Feel alive.
It's so cool. Oh. Swim in an alpine lake. Done.
Oh, that was so much fun.
Yeah.
It was very cold at first, but once you're under, it really wasn't that bad.
No, totally. Not bad at all. And I feel clean and refreshed.
It was very refreshing. Makes you feel alive.
Yeah.
We're gonna head back to the dock now so we could get on our bikes and head back to find our spot for the week. Fun fact, West Marine used to own our van.
So 1 hour in the canoes ran us about $35. So you can be the judge of whether or not that's overpriced. All we know is it was 100% worth it. I believe also if you want to rent it for the day, it's about $140. So now we're back at the bikes and we're gonna start pedaling our way to the van.
So the path that we're taking runs all the way along the Teton Range and up to Jenny Lake. You can start down in Jackson, or we started right here at the Albright Pool Out. We're riding right beside the Tetons. Look at that view. This is a top-notch ride.
And just like that, back at the van, bikes are all loaded up. And being that it's already 4:45, it's time to go find a site for the week. Places fill up really fast around here, as you can imagine. So we got to get to camp. We'll talk to you guys then. Well guys, you win some, you lose some, and today was a tough one. We drove around for like 3 hours looking for a place to stay, and we knew it was gonna be busy. It's the Tetons, it's the weekend, but wow, it was a tough one tonight, but it's all part of van life. We hope you enjoyed today's video, a different way to check out the Tetons than you might normally see. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys next week.